ResuWe Employer is recruiting overhauled and ignited. Here you'll see your jobs and your applicants. And the resume pops up on the right. Below is the contact info, and you can also view notes and matching and non-matching keywords for the resume. Let's add a job. It's very easy to copy and paste a job description, add a job title, the zip code, and we can also assign a hiring manager or an HR contact. You can also add a new hiring manager with a ClickUp pop-up layer. Here, you'll see the search string is automatically generated, extracting the keywords from the job description. You can also modify the Boolean search string with a custom search string based on your preferred criteria. So in this case, we're going to look for a first baseman who has great hitting skills, great fielding skills, and who has played in Major League Baseball. We run a search, and the following are Major League Baseball players, many of whom are first basemen. You can also view matching keywords, non-matching keywords, and highlight keywords. You can also view notes. Let's go back to the job description. And here we can look at the search string and even ask questions for screening purposes. These questions will be part of the online application when candidates apply for the position. It's easy to add and save questions, which will then be included on the online application. Now let's add an applicant. It's easy to find an applicant. You can upload either Word or PDF files, and the applicants are parsed automatically into the database. If there is any extra information that is not parsed, it is easy to add it quickly. For example, the word shortstop was not recognized. You can add the source and also add the candidate to the job you would like them to be considered for. In this case, the first baseman. Here we see Derek Jeter, who is not a first baseman. He's a shortstop. So many of the matching keywords pertaining to first baseman are listed as non-matching keywords, so you can quickly see that he is not a fit for the position. It is easy to add and modify settings. Again, they're based on the email format. Each job has its own hiring at link, so it's easy to view all of the jobs for the company. Each company can also add a career page widget to its website. You can also add notifications. In this case, Premier notifications, which will notify you only when good candidates apply for the position. You can add new contacts, thank you emails, modify your career page settings, and preview the widget. This widget will be on your career page if you choose to add it. I will show you an example. California Stem Cells already has a career page widget in place. You can easily view jobs, and applicants can apply to each job quickly. We also offer EEOC and OFCCP compliance tracking, which will allow you to capture voluntary EEOC data and also capture reasons for non-selection. This is only for companies above 50 people. Each job has its own hiring at job URL, and what's unique about this is it will automatically track back the source, for example, Monster or Craigslist, or even social media sites like Facebook or Twitter. You can add this URL. When an applicant opens the URL, they will see a page like this with your job page in the background. In this case, the Anaheim Angels will have their job page in the background. Candidates can upload their resume, add a cover letter, and below the cover letter is where you will see the questions that we added from the job record. It is very easy to set up pre-screening questions. which can be yes/no questions, or more descriptive questions, such as please describe your experience, ... You can add up to 8 questions. After the candidate submits their application, they receive a thank you and a thank you email. And as you see, when you click out, you see the background is your career page, in this case, the Angels. Now you've received a premier applicant notification because Mike Napoli is a first baseman, and as you see, he scores a 14, which is very high. Also, he is located 19 miles from the career site, Anaheim, and that is why you'll receive a premier applicant notification. You will see a cover letter here, Answers. The Answers tab will turn green, so it's easy to see when candidates answer questions. These answers are stored in the candidate's record. Again, it is easy to see matching and non-matching keywords to see if the candidate does or does not fit the job description. And you can also modify the search string. Here we're going to run a search. Again, you'll see other first baseman. Let's contact Mike Napoli. You can easily make a contact. You can sort between the distance and the rank. Let's try to call him. If you leave a message, you can easily track this with the VM icon. Let's try again, and if we do get him on the phone and conduct a phone interview, we can easily take notes. The notes pop up on the left, while the resume is on the right. This is designed for usability, so you can take notes while viewing the resume. This makes it very easy to take notes while on the phone. The notes are collaborative and are marked with the time and date and your name. Other people can contribute, and you will see their name also time-stamped. Looks good. Let's bring Mike in for an interview. Click on the interview button and you'll see a layer that prompts you with the interview date, the time, the duration, the event description, and the event type, such as a phone interview or an in-person interview or a second interview. Once you've hired an applicant, it is easy to set up the offer date, the offer amount, and whether or not the offer was rejected. You can also set the hire date. On the left, you will see applicants by status, whether they be new applicants, interviewing, hired, or rejected. This makes it easy to sort through your applicants. It is also easy to search your active jobs and inactive jobs. We also offer free help. Just click on the icon pertaining to the particular question you have, and all of your questions should be answered. If you need additional help, please do not hesitate to contact customer support with any of your questions.